Guys, what's going on? It's Hayden from Salty Shenanigans. Just knocked off work, putting the jet ski on and chucking the wetsuit and the fins in, and we are sending it to Double Island tomorrow. We're leaving pretty early in the morning, so I'll see you then. Stay tuned. Over here. Wasn't too bad, wasn't as glassy as what we thought, but nothing the jet ski couldn't handle. And now we're just cruising around the shallows looking for a bommy to drop grey on first and have a look, see if there's a grey around, I guess. But I'll suit up and jump in and cool off because it is absolutely steaming hot. But the viz is looking pretty bloody good. Pretty good. Hopefully we can find a grey. Hopefully. Just realised Ham's beer's missing. Yeah, she fell, sorry. We'll have to go get her, eh? Just had a quick dip too. Fair bit of fish life down here, so it should be pretty good view on. So let's get it. Drone shots there. Should be pretty lit. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If I put them before this. If not, you're going to enjoy them now.
Holy. Bit acrobatics, mate. Holy, that's not a good shot. Don't step on my fish. Oi! What's that? Your phone!
Bit of an update. This Braden's shot a fish, which is good. Put the drone up, some lit footage. Phone in the piss. It's in here now, not working. She's fucked. So last trip, fucked a GoPro. This trip, fucked the phone. So, yeah, it's been an emotional roller coaster today so far. Highs to lows. Fuck. Now, what do you do, buddy? We're gonna cruise over the that island over there. What's it called?
Oh, I call it Scouts Hat, but it's got another name. I forget. It starts with a H.
Sketty Island over there. We're gonna go to Sketty Island and try and get at least one more fish. And then we'll have a beer, have some snacks, and then send it home before the wind picks up. Well, here, he's got another Spanish flag there. Holy! Get some stills of this. Holy cunt. Look at it! Woo! Rightio guys, back on the mainland now. Ended up with 2 Spanish flags, or striped snapper, or whatever you want to call them. And the weather in the end ended up class. Oh, it was so nice. So I was going to go head back to Bray's place and fillet those fish up and wash everything down. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. It means a heap.